Hi there, today bring new design of DPP270 Max Bliss parking machine. It can park tablet and capsule into LPVC or LL Bliss. The max output is 11,200 bliss per hour. Servo traction, high precision error less than 0.1 mm. Widely used in packaging industry. Bliss no bar and no wrinkle. Modular design, replace model only 10 minutes. Handwheel scale adjust, easy to operation and maintenance. Newly upgraded CXS workshop, full meets CE ISO CGMP standard. Bliss packaging machine, Q3 parking.